Let's do some quick math. A good office admin or executive assistant costs you $50,000 to $70,000 a year. Add benefits and you're at 65 to 90. They work 40 hours a week, they take vacation, and it takes 3 to 6 months before they really know your business. An AI chief of staff from MFG Edge costs less than $2,500 a month. It works 24/7. It never calls in sick, and it knows your business on day one because it's connected to your actual systems. I'm not saying fire your office manager, but if you're a shop with 10 to 50 employees and you can't justify a full-time admin, this is the alternative. You get calendar management, email triage, customer history, daily briefings, and follow-up tracking, all in one place, all for less than the cost of one salary. We're working with a small group of founding clients right now at a locked-in rate. If you want to see what this looks like with your data, go to mfsageegg.ai and book a free assessment.